Hello, this is Tom with the Tractor Rescue Ranch. Got another installment of the Corley Sawmill restoration. I've got these pieces here and there, and a piece of wood goes between them, and they are actuated up and down by the sawyer's foot. Oh, there it is. Trying to reach over there on that bar. The sawyer's foot actuates that thing up and down, and then the top of it is a V, or not an upside down V. Anyway, the top of it squeezes into this piece, which as the carriage is going back, it brings when you push on that bar, it brings your knees back to get set for another log or to reset the log that's on it. So right now I'm going to be working on that board that goes between those two pieces, and then we'll rub on this piece here. Okay, just to show you, I've got to cut this angle on the top of that board. So I've got this angle finder here and a square so that it's square across the top. So I'll just tighten that angle down, and then I'll go transcribe that onto the board. Okay, this is the last big elm beam that I milled out from that a tree service guy took down from my brother's property. And so I've got it laid out here. This is the profile that I need it to end up with. And so I'm going to try to set this up to cut on my bandsaw. Okay, I got this set up. You can see it's just on the top of that stop right there. And I've just got a spacer in there holding it up. So I got it clamped down pretty tight right there. And my blade is gonna take the right piece off, hopefully. If everything stays lined up and stays in place, I hope that'll work. Look at that. Well, that did perfect. Did exactly what I was wanting it to do. Now I'll just have to reset this, flop it over and reset it, and cut the other side off. Okay, I'm pretty tickled how that thing turned out. I'll show you what I had the old one looked like. What's left of the old board that come off that. Anyway, pretty tickled. Turned out good. Thanks for watching.